Do a burnout.
That's what I'm saying. I want to hear something.
Yeah.
Technically, that's a mock-up engine. So it's not
Oh, yeah.
It's
It's
all
pre-sale, right? So it's not really the
well, it's
actual.
not even pre-sale. That don't even have a VIN number.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
pre-sale.
all research and development engineering.
Cool.
Okay.
So that don't even have any. That's just,
Sounded like a plane.
Oh yeah, please. Yeah, don't scare me with Prius. Cool.
is that what you do when you go full-wheel drive?
Yep. Yeah, when you're going off road, that's a 2-inch standard lift. Is that the option for you there? Yeah. So it's a 2-inch lift kit that's the option, the LT2 or LT3 trim bars. And that's also GPS activated. So for example, if you have a speed bump in your neighborhood and you go over, you raise the car once, your car will remember that you've done it there and will automatically do it without you doing anything, and it will remember up to 1,000 different locations.
And that's with the 2LT package? Oh, good.
Yeah,
That's
an
what I would-
option on the 2LT. I don't know if it's standard or still an option.
So I got one more question, which I forgot to ask earlier.
Yeah, of course.
Servicing and oil change.
Honestly, so I do know, I have been told by the engineers and designers, serpentine, timing belt, oil filters and all that kind of stuff is handy. You don't have to do any serious maintenance.
Okay.
In terms of anything major, I don't know.
Yeah.
I couldn't
In
even
other words,
make-
it's not like the Ferrari Stigma. And
But
no,
it's-
no. I mean,
but
but,
the regular-
but if something major happens and you have to lift the engine out,
You would have to do that with the
can't
other cars anyways. It's a little probably
Yeah.
harder. But the oil changes are still
yeah,
it's still
oil
very
changes,
serviceable.
serpentine belt, all those routine
Regular
maintenance.
stuff.
You can either get to straight here from the back, or we do the hatch in the back of the cabin to get access to part of the engine.
No, that was.
Yeah, because you still tweak it.